Kia ora, my name is Taisha Tari and I am co-director and visionary of Woven. Woven is about all the threads that are woven through identity, cultures, languages, whānau and whenua. Audiences can take away from Woven a definite experience in the heart, in the ngākau. We bring movement, spoken word, pangapūro and beautiful composition, sort of all bound into like a korowai of love. I think it's real deep connection to taha Māori, but also our natural surroundings. So haere mai whānau, I want you to come and buy your tickets. The Hamilton Arts Festival, Te Parapara Gardens, it's going to be absolutely stunning. Haere mai.